Give your car the protection it deserves with professional PPF installation at Kmotors. On this 2025 Toyota Fortuner, we're applying premium paint protection film designed to protect the paint from stone chips, scratches, swirl marks, road debris, and everyday wear. PPF creates an invisible shield over your vehicle while keeping that glossy showroom finish untouched. With self-healing technology, light scratches fade away with heat, keeping your car looking fresh for longer. It's more than just protection. It's preserving the value, appearance, and confidence of your ride every single day. Professional finish, long-lasting protection, trusted results. Only at Kmotors.